Hello, Bakers and Bakerettes. How are you doing? Hope everyone's had a wonderful day. Welcome to Cassie's Kitchen Creations, and if you are a subscriber, then you know I'm Cassie. And if you're not, let me introduce myself and tell you a little bit about my channel. First of all, as the thumbnail says, we're looking for 1,000 plus new content creators. Why? To join an awesome community of creators where we connect, we share, we embrace, we motivate, we encourage, we enlighten. We're here for you. On my channel, I bake, I cook, DIY. Sometimes I might do a no-bake. Apothecary. I make laundry detergent, bake cakes, pies, I make cookies, candy, you name it, and Cassie does it. But the community that I have is entitled the Bakers and Bakerettes. But it's not just my community. There's several communities that are connected. We have the Phenomenal community. That's Nemo 504's community. We have the Champions, which is Lashana Success community. There's several communities that are linked to this channel. So I encourage all of you to join us if you are a new content creator and you would like to see your channel grow and you're looking for a community of supporters, then we're here for you. At Cassie's, come and join us. Join the tasty desserts. You can just taste it through the screen. You know, we bake, share. I do tutorials, step by step. It's just like a flavor lab at Cassie's Kitchen Creations because everything is epic. You never know what I am going to do. That's the mystery and the joy of it. And then I'll bring you along for the ride. And in the process, as I said, I break it all down and I give you everything you need to know, whether you're going to prepare it as a soul food dish, if you want to do a vegan dish, if you're eating gluten-free. It's endless possibilities of the things that I do on my channel in the dishes that I prepare. You know, and just share with you. You know, just make life so much easier. Make things a lot simpler for you. You don't have to go searching YouTube for this, that, and the other. You can find it one stop at Cassie's. Because she's going to get you right. You better believe it. And not just my community, all the communities that are linked. I named a few, but if you join my community, and then you're going to be introduced to all the other communities, and that's how your channel is going to grow, flourish, get whipped into shape, whisked right on in with everyone that's connected to my channel. I have homesteaders. I have 3B homesteaders out in Oklahoma. If you're a homesteading community and you want to join one, you can always join their community. There's several. I follow so many different channels. I have a variety of channels, a variety of communities that I follow, that I share with, that I network with, connect to. Like I said, the possibilities are just endless. So if you're a YouTuber, you're new YouTuber, considering to become a YouTuber, you know, you've been on YouTube for a while and, you know, nothing seems to have worked for you and you kind of strayed away from it, I have a solution for you. You need to join my community so you can connect with all of the other communities and join in all the motivation, inspiration, the encouragement, the enlightenment, all of the free information of things that you probably didn't know about YouTube, the how-tos, the whys, you know, don't do this, you might want to try this, you know, just endless suggestions, different tools that you can use to apply to your channel, or, you know, you may want to share it with someone else who's not in our community. And hey, once you join, you can bring them along as well. We share with everyone. So become an enthusiast, kind of get your spark back, you know, feel motivated, and just come and join us. I just encourage you to join me, because I have the Sizzle and Serve community. The Whisk and Whip community. I mean, I have them all wrapped up in one. Hey, the Flavor Lab. We have so much going on over here at Cassie's until it's just unbelievable. But you know what? I bake and I share. Not selfish here, because you may do it and follow the recipes, but nobody does it like Cassie does it. And when you do yours, you'll feel the same way. Nobody does it like you. Why? Because, hey, we do everything for our own personal enjoyment. And when you cook, like I know, that we cook based on our own taste and the things that we grew up around and everything that we've taught. And we spice it up and jazz it up just a little bit. So, that's why I always say, I'm not arrogant. I'm not cocky. I'm just confident in what I know and what I do. And nobody does it like Cassie. Okay? So come on and join me on this cooking creator's journey, because there is a cookbook in the works. Oh, come and join us. We call it the donation, as in DOUGH. It's just so much that I can say about this channel and the things that I have to offer, but not just me. All of the YouTube channels that I'm connected with, everyone has something to offer, something that will pour into you, something to share with you, something to help your channel grow. So come along with us. Join us. Share. And do what the end of the slide is going to say. Whisk yourself into the Bakers and Bakerette Community. Connect, network, and grow with all the channels connected to the Whisk and Whip channel, Cassie's Kitchen Creations. You guys be blessed. Have a good one. And I'll see you on the next bake. No bake. Prep. Cook. DIY. Apothecary. Who knows? We just know that it's going to be epic.